block is kind of beat up. That's in 6 minutes that this was done, and it feels very nice, very healthy. It doesn't feel dry. I really like the way my hair feels. I like it's giving me a little bit more volume, although I need to do a touch up on my hair to give it some more texture. I think this is an excellent blow dryer. It doesn't burn your scalp. I really like it. My hair just feels so soft. Can't go wrong for the price. I like it. I like it. It gave me tons of volume that I haven't had in a long time. And it made my hair blow dry so well. I need to flat iron this little bit here. But I'm very happy with this blow dryer. I give it a big thumbs up. I will let you know that it was on sale for $89 and I think it retails for $200, and I did have a discount code and it gave me another $15 off, so I think I paid $74 and change for it, and it came pretty fast. They processed the order really fast. But I really, really like it, and I'm really glad that I bought this blow dryer. I'm very impressed that my ends don't look dry and coarse, and it feels very flexible, and it has play with it, and love the volume. Well, that is the end of my review of this product, so I just wanted to share it with you. So I will see you in the next video. If there is any other product you would like for me to review and give you my thoughts on it and feedback, please drop it in the information down below, and I appreciate you watching this video and giving me that support, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.